Good morning, teachers! Happy Teachers' Day!
Good morning, Principal Ma'am and teachers. During this pandemic situation, we all celebrate Teachers' Day from our home. On this special occasion, we are here to celebrate and pay a hearty tribute to our very respected teachers. Every year, we celebrate Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan's birthday as Teachers' Day on 5th September. For us, teachers are equal to our parents. Parents give birth to a child, while teachers shape the personality of that child, and they constantly try to help a child evolve into a good human being. Teachers are therefore a blessing for us, and we should always respect and love them. As a student, we cannot thank our teacher enough. We express my heartfelt gratitude to all of you. I want to end this speech with a quote by Ever Garrison. A teacher is a compass that activates the magnet of curiosity, knowledge, and wisdom in pupils. Thank you.
আমার সকল রসের ধারা তোমাতে আজ হোক না হারা। আমার সকল রসের ধারা তোমাতে আজ হোক না হারা। আমার সকল রসের ধারা
Good morning to our respected acting principal ma'am. We are very fortunate that our institution is led by a principal like you. There are so many ways in which you inspire us. There are so many good things that we can learn from you, for the school we study in, for the values that are part of our culture. We are thankful to you from our heart.
Good morning, Karuna ma'am. If knowledge is light, then you are the guiding star which gives us light. Thanks to you, we abandoned ignorance and got ready to explore this wonderful world full of knowledge and wonderful mysteries. Have a wonderful day, ma'am.
Morning, Shravani ma'am. A subject is easy or difficult depends upon the teacher, and you really made the subject very simple and easy to us. Biology is not everyone's favorite subject, but you are everyone's favorite. Have a wonderful day.
Good morning, Malita ma'am. Mathematics is all about concepts, and you are all about working on your students. BODMAS, equations, trigonometry, probability, finding x and cube roots. Many problems, but one solution. That is you, our Malita ma'am. Have a wonderful day, ma'am.
We all love you, teachers. Oh, you all live deep in our hearts. We all love you, teachers.
Morning, Shabana ma'am. The manner in which you teach physics has been evolving. We understand the study of matter and its motion through space and time truly. We want to wish you for having such amazing power to teach this subject. Have a wonderful day, ma'am.
Ranjan sir, it was never easy learning the chemical reactions or understanding the chemical equations. But thanks to you that it becomes an easier subject for us. Have a wonderful day.
Good morning, Tinku ma'am. You have taught us that studying history is not boring. Because of you, we feel packed with knowledge and wisdom. Our life wouldn't be the same without you. After all, it's all that matters. Thank you for everything, ma'am.
Good morning, Moshmi ma'am. Two simple words, thank you, are not enough to show how grateful we are. You taught us to be an individual, and that's the great thing we learned. Thank you for all your patience and hard work put into us. Have a wonderful day, ma'am.
You all teach with zest. You all make our aims. You all are the best teachers. Oh, all nations will rise one day. We all love you, teachers.
সুপ্রভাত মৌপ্রিয়া ম্যাম। পুঁথিগত শিক্ষার পাশাপাশি আপনি আমাদের কল্পনা শক্তিকে বাড়িয়ে তুলতে সাহায্য করেছেন। বাংলা ভীতি দূর করে আমাদের সমৃদ্ধ বাংলা সাহিত্যের সঙ্গে পরিচয় করিয়ে দিয়েছেন। মাতৃভাষা মাতৃদুগ্ধ, এই বোধ আপনিই আমাদের মধ্যে জাগিয়ে তুলেছেন। শুধুমাত্র শিক্ষিকা হিসেবে নয়, একজন বন্ধুর মতো আমাদের পাশে থেকে বাংলা সাহিত্যের প্রতি আমাদের আকৃষ্ট করিয়েছেন। আমাদের ভালোবেসে বাংলা পড়তে অনুপ্রাণিত করেছেন। আজকের এই বিশেষ দিনে আমাদের প্রণাম নেবেন।
सुप्रभात ज्योति प्रभा मैम, आपके स्टूडेंट होना हमारे लिए आशीर्वाद के समान है। हमने आपसे बहुत कुछ सीखा है। आप हमारी आदर्श टीचर है। शुक्रिया।
Good morning, Moshmi ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, for teaching us to reach our potentials and making us think beyond practical boundaries and helping us to do phenomenal things. We are thankful for everything, ma'am.
Good morning, Ronita ma'am. All the efforts and hard work you invest to bring out the best in us can never be repaid in mere words. We can only feel grateful to have a teacher like you. Have a wonderful day, ma'am.
We all miss you. We all miss you. We all miss you, teachers. Oh, we wish to see you again. We all love you, teachers.
Good morning, Shukran sir. Having you as our teacher is one of the greatest gifts we have ever received. Your support and understanding made us feel like we are enough. We are feeling grateful and filled with happiness, and you are the reason for that. Thank you, sir, for everything.
Sa-re-ga-ma-pa-dha-ni-sa. Good morning, Anup sir. The education we have received from you regarding music has stirred us to look deeper into our life. You introduced honesty, integrity and passion to our character by your musical tune. We thank Goddess Saraswati every day for sending you in our life as our music mentor. Have a wonderful day, sir.
Good morning, Kokul sir. You gave us the reasons to dream big, and you are the resources to achieve it, and you are the blessings of our life. Have a wonderful day, sir.
অচেনা পৃথিবী চিনেছি জেনেছি তোমার হাতটি ধরে অচেনা পৃথিবী চিনেছি জেনেছি তোমার হাতটি ধরে আচার্য গুরু শ্রদ্ধা জানাই আজে নমস্কারে অচেনা পৃথিবী চিনেছি জেনেছি তোমার হাতটি ধরে আচার্য গুরু শ্রদ্ধা জানাই আজে নমস্কারে বর্ণমালাকে চিনেছি বুঝেছি তোমার যত্নে স্নেহে তুমি শিক্ষক শক্তি দিয়েছ এই মনে দেহে
Inside me, take my hand and guide me your way. Teacher, when you see me giving up, teach me how to stand up again. Thank you for all that you have done, and thank you for all you do. I've been molded by your hands, so thank you, thank you.
আজকের দিনে গুরুর চরণে জানাই প্রণাম তাই চিরদিন তার আশীর্বচন আমরা সকলে চাই জানাই প্রণাম তাই চিরদিন তার আশীর্বচন আমরা সকলে চাই আজকের দিনে গুরুর চরণে জানাই প্রণাম তাই চিরদিন তার আশীর্বচন আমরা সকলে চাই আমরা সকলে চাই আমরা সকলে চাই আমরা সকলে চাই
We are still the young ones, but we won't be the young ones for long. Teacher, take me out and find me when you're outside me. I'm strong.
ভাষা দিলে তুমি কণ্ঠে কলমে আলো দিলে জীবন জীবনে জানাই প্রণাম গুরু আচার্য আজ এই শুভ দিনে ভাষা দিলে তুমি কণ্ঠে কলমে আলো দিলে জীবনে জানাই প্রণাম গুরু আচার্য আজ এই শুভ দিনে
Old and wiser, I'll remember you. Promise I'll grow stronger at the thought of you. Thank you for all that you have done, and thank you for all you do.
স্বপ্ন দেখার সাহস দিলে যে অন্তরে দিলে গান হাজার কণ্ঠে নিবেদিত প্রাণে জানাই তাই প্রণাম স্বপ্ন দেখার সাহস দিলে যে অন্তরে দিলে গান হাজার কণ্ঠে নিবেদিত প্রাণে জানাই তাই প্রণাম জানাই তাই প্রণাম জানাই তাই প্রণাম জানাই তাই প্রণাম
I've been molded by your hand, so thank you, thank you. I've been molded by your hand, so thank you, thank you.
Though this video has not been professionally made, but it's full of love and respect. The world is going through a bad phase. Like all other countries, Mother India has also been affected by the giant disease, novel coronavirus. On this auspicious day of our country, let us take an oath that following all the safety measures, we will overcome. Please take our heartiest regards and please forgive us if mistakes have been made. Thank you.